Okay, welcome back to our latest video, and we're back again with the Toyota Hilux. We fitted the Easy-Lift Kit about 2 months ago now. I've covered 5,000 miles in the car. We're going to go through the vehicle and find out what makes it so good. So why would you fit the Easy-Lift Kit? Well, it's a cost-effective way of being able to lift the vehicle, give it the stance you're looking for, while being able to fit bigger wheels, but also keep the rake the same on the vehicle, while still keeping the vehicle within the manufacturer's specification. So it's going to brake exactly the same as the manufacturer specified, it's going to handle exactly the same, so there's no compromise to fitting the Easy-Lift Kit. One of the key features of when we design an Easy-Lift Kit for the Toyota is we look at the brake lines. When you're lifting the vehicle, are the brake lines under stress? In this case, they would have been. So what we do is we provide you with a spacer kit, which actually is a couple of collars and washers for the vehicle to basically just lift those brake lines and make sure they're not under stress and they're working as they should do. So when you're fitting the lift kit, it can put the front drive shaft under additional strain. By fitting the diff drop, this basically brings them back into their normal natural plane, and then you don't get excess wear. One of the questions often asked while fitting an Easy-Lift Kit is, can I get the vehicle back into standard alignment settings? And yes, you can. There is no problem with the standard suspension arms in getting the vehicle back into its normal factory settings. However, one of the things you can do is fit SuperPro lower control arms. They come with offset bushes, new bolts. This gives you the greater adjustability on the vehicle, so you can go more negative camber, positive camber, and also greater caster. The option is yours. Okay, we're now out on the road with the SuperPro Easy-Lift Kit fitted. And one of the things I noticed is the car is handling exactly the same as it did before. There's no change in the way that it pitches and rolls or anything like that. But also it's now giving that, with that 50mm lift, that ability to fit bigger wheels and tyres, making that car personal towards you. The other advantage I'm noticing is that I can now see over hedges better. It's actually making my drive a lot more enjoyable. One of the key things to note with the Easy-Lift Kit is that the ABS hasn't been affected, the stability control hasn't been affected, the way it changes lanes hasn't been affected. It's still doing exactly what the OE car was designed to do. So in years to come, when it comes to MOT and you've got the Toyota Hilux, you're thinking, what happens with the Easy-Lift Kit? Is it going to be affected? Is it going to fail its MOT? No, it's not. We fully tested it. It will work within the parameters of the vehicle, so it will fly through your MOT.